Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Pida and our topic for today is all about hacking. Hacking. Hacking refers to the unauthorized access or manipulation of computer system, networks or data. It involves exploiting weakness or vulnerabilities to gain access to information system or network for various purposes. Hackers can be either malicious, black hat or ethical white hat. The term has mostly negative connection due to its association with cybercrime. What is hacking? Hacking refers to the act of gaining authorized access to computer system, networks, or digital device. This can be done through various techniques and tools to exploit vulnerabilities in the system. Hacking can be performed for malicious purposes such as stealing data or causing harm or for ethical reasons such as identifying and fixing security flaws. Types of hackers. Black hat hackers. These are malicious hackers who gain authorized access to system for personal or financial gain. They often steal sensitive information, install malware, or disrupt services. Second, white hat hackers. Also known as ethical hackers, they use their skills to help organizations improve their security. They have permission to hack systems to identify vulnerable and fix them. Number three, gray hat hackers. These hackers fall between black and white hat. They will break into system without permission but do not have malicious intent. They often inform the system owner of the vulnerable and offer to fix them for a free. Fourth, red hat hackers. These hackers aim to stop malicious hackers by using aggressive methods. They often use illegal or extreme measures to make down black hat hackers. 5. Blue hat hackers. External security expert hired by organization to test their system for vulnerabilities before releasing new software industry association. So they are so the S Number 6, great hat hackers. Inexperienced hackers eager to learn and advance in the hacking world. They may unintentionally cause harm while experimenting. Hacks using artificial intelligence to develop malicious code or common hacking techniques. Number 1, phishing. Sending fraudulent emails to trick individuals into rela- revealing sensitive information. Number 2, malware. Using malicious software to gain control over system or steal data. Number 3, social engineering. Manipulating individuals into divulging confidential information. Number 4, credential theft. Stealing login credential to gain unauthorized access. AI-enabled exploit vulnerabilities. So how to protect against hacking? Use strong password, create complex, unique password for different account. Enable two factors authentication. Adds an extra layer of security. Keep software update. Regularly update operating system and application to patch vulnerabilities. Use antivirus software. That's all.